Forms are a great way to present extra information to your viewers, whether that's prerequisites, instructions, or details you need to collect. You can manage forms from the Forms area in the Library section of the Cadasio dashboard. To create a form, click the plus icon, give it a name, and click Create. This opens the Cadasio Form Builder, which is split into three main areas: blocks and inputs on the left, the form in the center, and settings on the right. The Form Builder makes it quick and easy to create clean, useful forms with blocks and inputs, then display them inside your 3D presentations. Let's start with a simple form that appears when someone first opens My Assembly Procedure. From the left-hand side, you can drag an item onto the form or simply click it to insert it. Once it's added, it's selected automatically and its settings appear on the right. Each type of form content has its own options. For text, I can enter the message, choose the style, and set the alignment. If you drag items in, you can place them on existing rows. Let's add an image and drop it onto the same row as the text. I can then choose one of my existing assets for the image. By default, dropping an item into an existing row splits that row into equal width columns, but you still have control over the layout. If I select the text again, I can adjust its row width weighting. Another useful option is the info card. This is a predefined control that can show the estimated time, number of people, and tools required for the instructions. You could build this manually, but the info card gives you a quick, ready-made option that looks great. That gives me everything I need for now, so let's look at how to use the form. In the Cadasio Designer, I want this form to appear as soon as the project opens. Since it contains useful information, a step pop-up is a good place for it. In the Steps Manager, I'll hover over my step, open Settings, and go to the Pop-up tab. Step pop-ups can contain different types of content. In this case, I'll choose Form, select my introduction form, set it to display full screen, and save the step settings. You won't see anything yet, but when you switch to Viewer mode, the pop-up appears with our form inside. Forms aren't just for showing information, they can also be used to collect it. In the Controls area of the Form Builder, you'll find standard form inputs such as text fields, numeric inputs, drop-downs, and switches. But what happens to the data once it's submitted? If you click the background of the Form Builder, you'll see the settings for the form itself. Forms always include a button. By default, this says Submit, but you can change the text. You can choose to email yourself a copy of the submitted data. Just turn on Email a copy on Submit, then enter the email address you want it sent to. And just a few final tips. With properties, you can make information on your forms dynamic. For example, you could show the project name or any other project properties you've defined. Take a look at our separate video on properties to learn more. By default, only one form is shown at a time, but in the form settings you can choose to open another form after submission. This lets you chain forms together and present or collect more information. So that's forms in Cadasio. Hopefully this video has shown how useful they can be. Don't forget to follow Cadasio on your favorite socials for more tips and news.